Hello everybody and welcome to video number 7. So I actually want to see if we can do this without drawing the picture, although I always encourage you to sketch a picture if needed, and maybe I will eventually cave and draw the picture as we go. So let's just see. All right, so here's my equation. Okay, I can tell right away, and the most important thing I can do is ask myself, what kind of ellipse do I have? I see that because 16 is the bigger number, it's under the x-axis, that this is a horizontal ellipse, and the x-axis will be the major axis. So the center of my ellipse is going to be at the point 3, 2, and everything I calculate will be from that center point. My major radius, again, is given by the letter A, and since a squared is equal to 16, the major radius is the square root of a, which is just 4. My minor radius is given by the letter b. Since b squared is equal to 4, b itself is equal to 2. My major axis is 4 plus 4 because it's double the major radius, and so that's just 8 in length. The length of my minor axis would then be 4 units, okay? So let's see if I can find my vertices without drawing the picture and just sort of using my common sense. What I'm gonna do to get my vertices is realize that these are on the x-axis, okay? Because that is my major axis. So because they're on the x-axis, I'm gonna add from the x value. So what am I gonna add? I'm gonna add the 3 units that I already started at the center, plus the 4 units that I go in the radius. So my point is going to be at the point 7, 2. And actually I lied, so let's actually draw this out. I think this will help a lot just to see the visual. You're welcome to not use it, but I think I'm going to just because we're still illustrating this. Okay, so let me just quickly draw the center. So 1, 2, 3, the center is right here. This is the point 3, 2. Okay, this is a horizontal ellipse. So from the center, I'm gonna go out 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna land me at the point 7, 2. That is a vertex. Okay, and then I have to go 4 units in the other direction. And if I start at positive 3, you can see that's gonna land me at -1. So -1, 2 is my other vertex. Okay, so -1, 2. All right, now the co-vertices are along the minor axis. From the center point, I have to go up 2. So 1, 2. So this point here is at 3, 4. That is a co-vertex. Okay, 3, 4. And to get the other co-vertex, I'm gonna go down 2 units, 1, 2, and that's gonna be at the point 3, 0. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. I'm just gonna connect the dots. This is a horizontal ellipse. And now I'm gonna find my foci. Remember, the foci are on the major axis, and it's the letter C. C is equal to plus or minus the square root of a squared minus b squared. And C is equal to plus or minus, so 16 minus 4. This is going to be plus or minus the square root of 12, but we must simplify our radicals. As always, we're not going to use a calculator. C is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay, and that distance is going to be helpful. So to get my vertices, or my foci, right, I'm going to go plus 2 root 3 from this x value. So starting from the x value of 3, I'm going to go plus 2 root 3, and I'm going to be as high as positive 2. So my foci, the first point is, it's kind of weird, but it's 3 plus 2 root 3 is the x value, comma 2. That's my focal point. The other focal point, right, is going to be 3 minus 2 root 3, comma 2. So these are my 2 focal points, and these are in simplest radical form. I believe that is it. After watching these videos, you should be well prepared to do some of the whiteboard practice that I've assigned for tomorrow's class. So good luck, and again, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.